Now, let's put this all into perspective. Sheikh Khalifa is with me, the CEO of the Bahrain Stock Exchange. Good to see you.
Good to see you as well.
Nice to have you with us.
Thank you.
How important do you think it is to have, for instance, a Grand Prix? The place sort of is very excited by the whole prospect, aren't they?
I mean, diversifying the economy as a whole. I'm looking at that from the macroeconomic level. So F1 definitely would be of an add-on to our economic growth.
We talk about the diversification of the economy. More than half the economy is non-oil here, but a large percentage of the economy, of the government, is oil, isn't it?
Yes.
That imbalance has to be readdressed.
It is, but we've remained constant in our strategy to rely on the non-oil sector to drive the economic growth. And we've seen it throughout the years and how the non-oil sector contribute the GDP year by year, and right now it's more than 80%.
What about the stock exchange? I mean, it's a relatively small exchange in terms of, where do you see positioning the exchange?
Well, we are a multi-currency exchange and multi-asset exchange as well. So in the exchange environment, we were first to be innovative in terms of delivering more products and services. Now we have REIT, fixed income, sukuk, and now we just recently launched Bahrain Investment Market that target fast-growing companies in the region.
You talk about targeting fast-growing companies, but here's the real problem. Everybody wants fast-growing companies, don't they? Yeah. Everybody wants them. What have you got that others haven't got?
Well, we do have a strong regulatory infrastructure, so it's an ecosystem across.
But do you find people concerned maybe about instability, or that there have been questions about instability here?
Well, instability, I mean, it's a general term. We've proved to be resilient in instability regionally. And on the financial side, or the context of financial, we survived the financial crisis in 2008.
So now we're talking, our lead story today is on geopolitical concerns.
Yeah.
And you rolled your eyes when I said it, didn't you? Because you've got Syria, you've got Afghanistan, you've got Moscow and US, you've got Pyongyang, North Korea, and that. Yeah. How concerned are you about this in terms of the financial world at the moment?
I think the concern from my side would be the investors' concern. They look at numbers. So if the numbers and the risk factors would give them the objective not to buy or not to sell, they won't buy.
But are you seeing that geopolitical uncertainty creeping in at the moment?
I don't see it yet.
You don't?
No. Especially with the Bahrain context capital market, our index grew by 15%, and the trading volume also grew by 143% only from quarter to quarter. So right now, according to our numbers, no, still haven't reached us.
All right. Where do you see, with interest rates going up in the US, with Brexit happening, with Syria in trouble, with arguably regional instability, what for you is the biggest concern?
My biggest concern would be the spillover effect on our economy. And for now, I haven't seen it. And our focus on the fast-growing companies proved to be a successful venture. We worked on it for 3 years. And right now we have the very innovative market. It's not AIMS, it's not Kickstarter, it's something in between. And I'm looking forward to it as well.
You're going to the race?
Definitely.
Who's going to win?
I'm not sure, but I go for the activity.
Good to see you, sir. Good to see you. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
So, will it be Hamilton? Well, we'll all find out. We'll talk about more of that in Quest Means Business, which, as your regular viewers knows, I can barely work out the time. But I'm out at 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 10. 3.5 hours, yes, I finally worked out. The Sheikh Khalifa Road is still busy. Bahrain is hot, absolutely boiling. I'll see you in 3.5 hours. Whatever you're up ahead, I hope it's profitable.